This is the legendary pickups Cronus. It's designed on the principle of having a smooth and balanced attack, but also a compressed low end that gives a nice even feel to the hand. Dynamically it's more open than an active, but more compressed than a traditional passive. The coils are wound in a way that the outer coils are designed to give tonal character to the humbucker rather than just output. It gives two distinct sounds when in full humbucker and in split. It's almost like having two different modes rather than two separate different sounds. The bridge is an Alnico 5 magnet paired up with an Alnico 4 in the neck, and given the way that these are wound, you end up with a slightly compressed lower end, smoother mid-range combined with clear and defined highs. I will be putting all the DI files from this video into a Dropbox. You'll get a link in the description below. Also you'll find the signal chain there as well, so that you can try this out at home. Thank you and enjoy.